make it work.
Hey beauties, it's Charlie Mar Beauty. I'm here with a new beat and quick curl. Get ready with me. Like, comment, and subscribe. Charlie Mar Beauty. I'm using the Princess, the dark brown eyebrow pencil to fill in my brows. And then we're going to go ahead and conceal the brows with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Cookie.
You and your guys, I better do my food doing, boy. Mommy, you watching?
No, you go writing.
You play too.
Hmm?
What are you doing?
You go writing, baby. What are you doing?
Okay, here I went in with my concealer in the shade Cookie by Too Faced Born This Way. I forgot to prime. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer that I'm putting on the areas of my face that I have left. And then after that, I'm going in with the Born This Way Too Faced Foundation in the shade Spice Rum. And then we're going to blend all that out. Okay, now I'm going in with the Morphe setting powder in the shade Banana Rich. I did go in and reconceal my forehead. And then I went ahead and used the setting powder by Morphe on my forehead. And then we did the reverse contour on my lower cheeks. I go a little bit high sometimes with that, but it all works out between the contour and the blush. Okay, right here I'm going in with the Juvia's Place bronzer in the shade Dark, and I'm using that darker brown. It's a brownish red color for the base of my eyeshadow. Okay, here I'm going in with the pink and then dark brown out the Warriors. It's the Warriors 2 Juvia's Place palette. Okay, so here I'm contouring my nose with the Juvia's Place bronzer in the shade Dark. And again, this is the lower shade, the dark brownish red shade that I'm going in to contour my nose and my cheeks. And then we're going to go back in with the Warriors 2 Juvia's Place palette with the shade Orange to do the blush. All right, and then the Bombest piece, the Bombest product that I've used. Wait for it.
Sorry, y'all. I be wanting to make sure that definition is there. Because I just like a good contoured nose, you know? Go in with the bottom. Go back into, this is the Warrior 2 by Juvia's palette. I use the orange and pink in there for my blush. More orange than anything else. Okay, that's that. Going with that top color. Filling that forehead right there. Okay. Fill that in. I get anxious. Like beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep.
It's MAC Studio Fix foundation powder in the shade NW45. And I'm just going in with that all over. Make sure we have a smooth transition.
So I was at the drugstore because I don't go to the mall too often. And I got this is Walmart, Maybelline New York Glass Spray. It's makeup finishing spray. Skin looks hydrated, dewy finish. So we need all the dewy. Okay.
This setting spray is the bomb. It's my new favorite setting spray. I will be using this over Milk, and I will be using this over Morphe setting spray. It leaves your skin feeling nice, moisturized, and it gives you a dewy look. It's just nice. I love it. Okay, we're going to brush out our brows and then line our lips with the Ruby Kiss lip liner pencil in the shade Dark Brown. And then we're going to go on with the NYX Suede matte lipstick in the shade Dainty Days. This is the Wiggins Hair 13 by 4 HD lace body wave, 26 inches, 180 density. This hair, to me, it's not body wave, it's straight. It does not hold a curl unless you're using spritz or spray. Okay. But yeah, I'm just curling my hair real quick. I'm gonna put a couple curls in and then get ready to go. All right, Charlie Mar Beauty. Like, comment, and subscribe.
This spray is a go for me, y'all. Morphe don't even hydrate the way this hydrate. Drugstore be winning. Don't sleep on drugstore products. So everybody got to start somewhere. Hey you guys, it's Charlie Mar Beauty. I'm here with a new video. Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Charlie Mar Beauty. All right, you guys.